Today I'm going to show you how to change your country on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you've moved to a new region, need your account details updated, or want your profile settings to match your current location. I'll walk you through the exact process inside X so you can do it quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X in your browser or app and go to your account dashboard. On the far left side, look for the navigation panel and click on More. This opens up a menu with additional settings and options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and personal information. Once you're inside the settings menu, click on your account, then choose Account Information. This section contains the details tied to your X account, including your account region and related identity settings. At this point, X will ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. That means you'll need to enter your account password. Type it in carefully, then click Confirm to continue. This step is important because it protects your account from unauthorized changes. After that, you should see the country option. Click on Country, then open the drop-down menu and select your new region or country. Make sure you choose the correct country, since this can affect the account information connected to your profile. If needed, review the rest of the details before saving, just to make sure everything matches what you want. Once the change is applied, your country information will be updated on X. That's it. You've now changed your country on X or Twitter in a few easy steps. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.